Okay, guys, Donna Lisa Bazilla info here. This is nice. I like this. This is really nice. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. I think we can chance this for $10. We'll get that for 10. Oh, and look at this. Maybe we can find something else to work with. Look at that. Let's get this. Let's get this. See? Look at that. $10. $10. Okay. All right. What do y'all think about this? Huh? I didn't want to get. Oh my goodness. I think yes, $10. You're always finding something in here. I'm telling you, always finding something. I think you can get the shade that goes along with it, the lampshade that they have here. But yeah, okay, I got that. I'm trying to operate the basket and the lamps. This seems to be okay. You see that? I might get that. I don't know. Do you all like this? Oops, let me see. Do you like that for $10? Yeah, let's try. I don't know if I like this white, this really white lampshade. I might change that. I don't know if I really like that pure white. I did not come here to purchase lamps. But, you know what? This is nice. This lamp right here, that's nice. These lampshades are kind of, I don't know. But what do you guys think about that? I'm going after the glass ones. Whatever catch your eye, it's of value. I just don't want to just be buying. I haven't really priced, so I don't know. What do you think about that? I want to just be. We got that glass one. Oh my, 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 my. Okay. Yeah, it kind of got my attention because, and none of them are really a pair. They're just different designs. We'll see. But you can put a shade like this onto this and then have a lamp. But for $10, let's keep it pushing and then I'll come back. And see this rug here, all of these colors, but this is a nice rug. This is a nice rug. I like this, believe it or not. Very comfortable. But $175, that would be a no. We need more down, but I do like that. The way it would lay on the floor. Now look at this. That's nice. $125. I need to change out my shade. You got a lot of clocks. You got a lot of clocks. A whole bunch of clocks. I need to change this out. Okay. I'm gonna come back over here and look. This would have been the table that I needed. But see, 175, that's high. Like come down a little bit. And you see how they have this fabric? Oh, I didn't know that. I got this fabric for $2 and $5. I didn't know it was $85. And oh my. Oh wow, I got it for like $2 and $5. We got that couch, it's floral. And okay, let's move on. Curtain rods. Oh look. Oh look at this. You gotta be kidding me. $2. $2 curtain rods. Okay, you see that? $2. $2 for curtain rods. $2. $2. Oh my goodness. Where are you gonna get curtain rods for $2? Oh, I'm sorry, honey. Push this out. Put this on the side. Okay. Hey, baby, how you doing today? Okay. So this is. These are $2. This is. Okay. Yeah, gold rod. This is one long gold rod. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I have enough room in my car. Okay, guys. I'm gonna fool around in the curtain rod thing and come back to you. Okay? Because I got a lot of stuff going on. So we have several parts, okay?